If you happen to have the RC2 Pro controller, then it is well worth downloading, installing and setting up termux to use with the drone mission converter, as it makes copying the KMZ files across the controller so much easier. So let's get started. Run Chrome, and the first thing you need to do is download F-Droid. And F-Droid. Download F-Droid. Download. Open. Install. And I need to search for termux. And it's the second one down. Do not confuse it with Termux API. We do not need that one. Now, depending on the internet speed, this might take a few minutes. And I've got to authorize F-Droid to actually install termux, which is fine. And you'll need to select install anyway. So now termux is installed. Go back to. Okay, I've moved termux to the main screen just to make life easy. Now we've installed termux, we need to run a few commands to actually get it to be compatible with the drone mission converter. So let's run termux, select allow, and I've actually got a USB keyboard plugged into the phone, which makes life quite a bit easier, but we need to do a PKG update, and this can take a few minutes, unfortunately. And you definitely need an internet connection. Wi-Fi is preferable. Okay, PKG upgrade. If it asks you if you wish to continue, just hit yes. In fact, hit yes for any prompts that come up. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we've done the update and upgrade. We now need to do a PKG install root-repo. And PKG install x11 repo. And PKG install Android tools. Yes. Okay, we now need to cd.termux, then nano termux, and I'm going to hit tab, but you need to hit termux.properties, and we need to go down to allow external apps. We need to remove the comment, so that is now active. Allow -external -apps equals true. Control S To save it, Control X. To exit. So we've saved that. The other thing we need to do is change its permissions. So if I type exit, that will terminate the application. We go into settings and applications, wherever they are. Termux. Permissions. We certainly want files, and hit that. Let's go for all permissions. Makes life simple. So that is Termux. It is installed and set up for use with the drone mission converter.